Bonjour tout le monde et bienvenue sur IFC, Irvin's French Class. Aujourd'hui, dans cette vidéo, nous allons parler de la structure de la comparaison en français. To compare the superiority, inferiority and equality of two or more things, we use adverbs in French. We are going to cover them in a minute and then we are going to do some fun activities to revise and practice. C'est parti! There are three types of comparisons. The superiority indicates that something is bigger, taller, smarter, larger, more efficient, more comfortable. In French we use for that, and let's repeat this, plus. Yes. Inferiority indicates that something is less wide, less messy, less big, less fast, less exciting. In French we use, and repeat that please, moins. That's right. Finally, equality indicates that two or more things are as happy, as big, as intelligent, as interesting. In French we use, let's repeat this, aussi. Yes, so let's repeat these three adverbs together. Plus, moins, aussi. Let's start with the easiest comparison you can use, and it is with adjectives. Simply put plus, moins, aussi in front of an adjective. Comparatives are invariable, but you know the drill now. Adjectives must agree in gender and number with the noun they qualify. Also, without the context of conversation, these comparisons will not make complete sense. For example, and you can repeat these sentences after me, ma voiture est plus belle. You see that sentence implies a context in which some cars are being compared. Same goes for, let's repeat that, ton téléphone est moins lourd. Ils sont aussi grands. When there is no context, you need que after the adjective, followed by the other noun you are comparing to. So let's keep the same examples and add some nouns into them. The first sentence could be, ma voiture est plus belle que la Renault Clio. Ton téléphone est moins lourd que le dernier iPhone. Ils sont aussi grands que les basketteurs américains. So you see the structure you need to apply is plus, moins, aussi, plus adjective, plus que, and then you need to add the other noun. In comparison with people, stress pronouns are required after que, whereas the subject pronoun is more commonly used in English. Let's repeat these examples together. Here they are. Mes amis sont plus cool que moi. Son mari est moins patient qu'elle. Sa sœur est aussi grande que lui. You can also compare two adjectives in relation to one noun. For example, let's repeat these sentences together. Je suis plus peureux que courageux. You see, two adjectives are being compared here, okay? Peureux and courageux. Same goes for the next one. Il est aussi dynamique que désorganisé. Cette chaise est moins confortable que solide. The comparative of superiority of bon is meilleur, which of course agrees with the noun it qualifies. For example, let's repeat these. Ce restaurant est bon. That will become ce restaurant est meilleur. Cette pizza est bonne. Cette pizza est meilleure. You see, you need to add an E for feminine. You need to keep bon in the other comparisons. Ce restaurant est moins bon. Cette pizza est aussi bonne. Likewise, the comparative of bon marché is meilleur marché. For example, les légumes sont bon marché. Les légumes sont meilleur marché ici. Alright, let's do an activity to practice the comparison in French. I'm going to give you two nouns and one adjective. All you need to do, guys, is to make a logical comparative sentence starting with the first noun. And of course, do not forget to do the agreement of the adjective. Alright, the first one is Le curling, la Formule 1, dangereux. So is curling more, less, or as dangerous as the Formula 1? Le curling est moins, that's right, I think that's the case. Le curling est moins dangereux que la Formule 1. Yes, you need que to introduce the second noun. Okay, let's repeat that sentence. Le curling est moins dangereux que la Formule 1. That's right. Second, la cuisine française, la cuisine indienne, Indian cuisine, épicée. So, plus, moins, aussi. La cuisine française est moins épicée que la cuisine indienne. And please note the liaison here, right? Épicé starts with a vowel, okay? La cuisine française est moins épicée. And same will go for plus. La cuisine indienne est plus épicée que la cuisine française. Okay, next one. Les adultes, les enfants, patients. Les adultes sont plus patients que les enfants. That's right. I think it's more logical. Well, sometimes it's debatable. L'amitié, l'argent, important. L'amitié est moins importante. Okay, amitié would be feminine, so be careful with the adjective. Is it moins important ou plus importante? L'amitié est plus importante, je pense, que l'argent. Ok, l'amitié est plus importante que l'argent. Les chats, les chiens, fidèles. Les chats sont moins fidèles que les chiens. I think so. Next one. Une moto, une voiture, dangereux once more, but be careful. Here we have feminine nouns. So dangereux will become dangereuse. Yes. So and then it's up to you, right? So une moto est plus dangereuse qu'une voiture. Une moto est moins dangereuse qu'une voiture. Une moto est aussi dangereuse qu'une voiture. Okay? The thing you need to note is that que will have the E taken off from it, okay? Because of the elision, okay? Qu'une voiture. All right, the next one. Messi, Ronaldo, bon. Yes, I needed to start a debate and blow up the comment section, so go for it, guys. Messi, then it's up to you. Be careful. The only thing I want is that you turn bon into meilleur if it's superiority, okay? Messi est meilleur que Ronaldo. So if you think the opposite, Messi est moins bon que Ronaldo. If you are politically correct, Messi est aussi bon que Ronaldo. Alright, let's do the last one. Venus and Serena, okay, the Williams sisters. Bon, so Venus est meilleur que Serena. Alright, so don't forget to add the E if you think that Venus is better than Serena. If you think the opposite, Venus est moins bonne. Yes, okay, the feminine version of bon is bonne. Et moins bonne que Serena. Voilà les amis, c'est tout pour cette vidéo. So please send your comparisons in the comments and I will check them out, I promise. Don't forget to like this video if you learned something useful and subscribe to the channel to show your support. À la prochaine, à plus, ciao.